Hey, Jeannie Lynch, out on the trail of life. I'm going to share a beautiful meditation with you today, and it's a meditation that I recommend my clients to listen to prior to going into something pretty important, like a job interview or conflict resolution with your lover, and maybe even seeing the family for the first time in a long time. So this meditation absolutely goes through every chakra, from root to crown, balances it, activates it, aligns it, shines it. Oh, it's yummy. So stay listening and stay watching that beautiful guided meditation. It's coming up next. Hey, thank you so much for staying clicked in to today's chakra activation. And this is definitely something you can use every day. And you can do it with your eyes closed, or you can also use it as a teaching video, because each slide will have a lot of information about the chakras. And it's truly just here to help you get grounded and to open, activate, and align and shine. So get ready. We're going to take you through this beautiful little journey with me. And I do appreciate your time today. And remember, chakras, the intention of them being opened, its intention is everything. Get ready and settle in. The root chakra, the first chakra. When I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I am safe, I am sound, I'm in my physical body, and I'm happy to be here. When I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I am the mother archetype. I picture this chakra spinning in a beautiful red vortex in front of me and behind me. It is clear, it is activated, it is red, it is balanced, and I am grounded. Moving on. The second chakra, the sacral chakra. When I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I can move with ease, that I am graceful, and I can embrace change. I have healthy boundaries, and I have the ability to truly enjoy pleasure, satisfaction. I'm passionate about the things that I love to do, and the world is truly abundant. And when I'm honoring this chakra, I truly know that I am the emperor and the empress. When I picture this chakra, I picture an orange vortex of spinning energy in front of me and behind me. And I see it as being open, activated, clear. And I know with this chakra that I move. Moving on. I'm at the third chakra now, the navel chakra. And when I know with this chakra, when I'm honoring it, I am responsible. I am reliable. I have excellent self-discipline. I am positive with myself. I let go of any ego. I'm energetic. I'm spontaneous. I'm playful. I'm humorous. I love to take risks. And I know I have the right to act, for I am worthy. When I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I am the warrior. And I picture this chakra, a yellow vortex spinning in front of me and behind me. And I see it clear, activated, balanced. And I know with this chakra that I can direct. This has everything to do with my energy and my ability to metabolize my food. And I know that I have plenty of energy to get through the day. Moving on. I'm at the fourth chakra now, and I love this chakra. This is the bridge chakra, the heart chakra. And when I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I have the ability to give and receive love openly. That I live my life to be a compassionate person, that I can be empathetic, especially with myself. That I'm accepting and I self-love. I can remain peaceful and centered. I look for peace, love, and unity in all that I do. I find joy, patience, and trust all around me. I have acceptance for myself, and I can be authentic. When I'm honoring this chakra, I truly am the lover. And I picture this chakra, a beautiful emerald green, and I see this vortex spinning out in front of me and behind me. And it is clear, it is open, it is activated, it is balanced. And when I know I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I love. Moving on. The 5th chakra, light blue, beautiful chakra. And when I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I can express myself openly and willingly. And not only do I have the ability to communicate when I'm speaking, I have the ability to truly listen to people, and I can resonate with them. I understand what it's like to have full voice, clear communications, especially with myself and with others. I have good timing and rhythm. I live my life creatively. When I'm honoring this chakra, I truly know that I am the good communicator. And I picture this chakra, a beautiful light blue vortex spinning in front of me and behind me. And I picture it opened, pulsating, clear, balanced, activated. And when I know I'm honoring this chakra, I truly know that I express. Moving on, the 6th chakra, the 3rd eye chakra. A darker blue, beautiful vortex. When I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I can see. I have strong intuition. I'm connected to higher self. I have a great imagination. I'm able to recall. I have great memory. I have the ability to visualize my future, but I can certainly see what's right in front of me and what's important that I need to focus on. When I'm honoring this chakra, I know that I am truly a wise, capable person. And when I see this chakra, I see a beautiful blue vortex spinning in front of me and behind me. And when I look at this chakra in my mind's eye, I know that it is open, activated, balanced, clear. And I know with this chakra that I can truly see. The 7th chakra, the last chakra in the chakra system. And with this chakra, it is beautiful and it is purple. And I know with this chakra that there's more to life than just me. That I am not disconnected in any way, but I am completely connected to all. And that all are connected to me, and we are all one. With this chakra open and activated, I know that I am open and I have the ability to question and assimilate everything and analyze data openly. When I'm honoring this archetype, I know that I truly can be the guru. And when I see this chakra, I see it beautiful, purple, spiral spinning out in front of me and behind me. It's open, it's activated, it's clear, and it's balanced. And I know that with this chakra, I can realize everything in my life can be. When I run through the chakras real quick to finish my close, I know that I am safe. I know that I move, I direct, that I love, that I express, I see, and I realize that all is beautiful today, and I am safe. Love and light, Jeannie Lynch, signing off. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's chakra activation. And if you'd like to learn more about the chakras, please check out my playlist. I have over 30 videos out on there, and I add to it often. So once again, thanks for your time. Namaste.